Hello, are you tired of trying to figure out what things to stock in your pantry to include in your recipes that will give you the best chance of making sure that your foods are packed with nutrients so that you can improve your health? Stick around and I will give you 10 tips of things that I use in my pantry that I don't go without, that I can add to my recipes that will improve the nutritional density of the foods that I eat and just give me an opportunity to have as healthy foods as possible when I'm working throughout the busy week. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Lanice and I'm a registered nurse with over 30 years experience, and I love to help you take charge of your health to improve your health. And so today I'm going to share with you some items from my pantry that I don't go without. And I'll start with this item here called hemp hearts. And I get these hemp hearts. I found them to be less expensive, say at Costco, because I'll get a bigger bag for about the same price as a smaller bag in the regular grocery store. And the hemp hearts has 10 grams of protein per serving, and a serving is about 2 tablespoons. And we know as we age, it's very important that we get a good amount of protein. And so with these hemp hearts, I usually will add them to my smoothies. I'll also put them in my Greek yogurt. And that way I can just have my Greek yogurt that already has 23 grams of protein plus the 10 grams that's already up to 33 grams of protein with just those two nutrients for breakfast. And sometimes even a mid-afternoon snack, I'll have some Greek yogurt. The next item that I'm going to share is ground flaxseed. This is organic ground flaxseed, and it has lots of omega-3, 6, and 9, which are very good fats for your brain, anti-inflammatory. And it has 3 grams of fiber and 2 tablespoons, as well as 3 grams of protein and 2 tablespoons. And what I use this ground flaxseed in is in my smoothies that I have. And also, if I happen to have a bowl of oatmeal, I'll put it in my oatmeal as well. And it doesn't change the flavor of what you put it in. I like the ground flaxseed, so that way it's almost like a powdery or sugar-like feeling to it, or ground to it, and it doesn't like change the consistency of my oatmeal or my smoothie either. And that's ground flaxseed. I make sure it's non-GMO and organic as well. The next item that I'm going to share are chia seeds. These again are excellent source of fiber, and they also have the omega-3, the good fats in them. The chia seeds are 6 grams of protein and 3 tablespoons, as well as 10 grams of fiber in 1 serving, which is 3 tablespoons. And I tend to use the chia seeds, again, in my smoothies, in my yogurt if I want, or sometimes I'll make a chia pudding. And what I'll do the night before is I'll put 3 tablespoons of this in with my coconut milk. And by morning, the chia seeds will have expanded and it makes like a pudding consistency. Then I'll take that chia pudding and add some other items to it to get power pack nutrients. And those are chia seeds. Again, these are non-GMO as well. These are grainless granola. And this grainless granola I like because it's gluten-free. And this one I got from Trader Joe's. It has pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, almonds, and coconut in it. And this has about 9 grams of protein per serving. A serving of this is about 3/4 cup. I don't tend to eat that much in 1 serving. I probably do like half of that and just kind of sprinkle it over my Greek yogurt in the morning. And so this is granola. I don't use regular granola because that's really a lot of times packed with sugar and grains. And because I have some digestive issues, I like grainless granola. And it tastes pretty good also. Another item I'd like to share is, I'm almost out of this, but this is supposedly like a coffee-like substance. When I started having issues with menopause, I was having hot flashes, and I found that caffeine caused my hot flashes to increase. And so I had to go to like a non-caffeinated beverage. And this is by a company called Ticino. I have to order it from Amazon, but they sell other flavors sometimes at Whole Foods. And this is made with herbs, a medium roast, which I like. It's coffee-free, acid-free, caffeine-free, and it's also a prebiotic. And in my opinion, it tastes pretty good. And I'm kind of a coffeeholic, so coffee snob, so I really like good coffee. And this really works well. I put it in my Keurig along. I put it in like a filter that I can reuse. And this tastes so good with, some cream, just like coffee to me. And I've been using this for quite a few years. The other item I wanted to share is I use a fiber supplement, and I don't use it every day, but it's on days when I'm like not getting enough fiber in, and maybe I had a busy day or I'm traveling. I will use this fiber supplement, and I really like it a lot to get that extra fiber in. Another thing that I use is pink Himalayan salt. I just use a little bit of this in water every morning. I actually make it in this mason jar, and I just drink a little bit, like maybe a 8-ounce cup of it every morning, and that gives me my minerals and my electrolytes for the day to keep me hydrated, especially before I go to the gym. And then I try to keep avocados on hand. I can make like a quick guacamole, or just cut it up over maybe with my dinner or over a salad. So I like avocados for good fats. I keep my sweet potatoes on hand because I can throw one of these in the microwave really quick and eat a baked sweet potato, or I can cut it, put it in the air fryer or in the oven and roast it, and it tastes really good with a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of honey, just a little bit for like a quick snack, or goes along well with the meal. And then my last item I'm going to share is ginger root. And what we do with ginger root here is we use it in our smoothies. So we'll cut a piece of this ginger root and shave it, peel it, and drop it in the smoothie maker, our Vitamixer, to make our smoothies. And it does change the taste of your smoothie, but it is very good for digestion, very healthy. So those are my items that I try to keep stocked in my pantry. Back in like 2002, I was diagnosed with a really bad stomach issue called Crohn's disease. And I really started to look at what I was eating and how I was nourishing my gut. And over the years, I've just learned to keep some things here in the house, because if I go off the rails and eat wrong, I will have stomach issues. And I literally have not had any major issues with the Crohn's disease that they said I had back in 2002 since that time. But I'm very particular about what I eat. And what I did do was I went back to school and got a bachelor's degree in holistic nutrition, just to learn a little bit more about. Back then, they weren't talking a lot about the microbiome and gut health, and I just learned a lot from doing that. And so what I'd like for you to do is, in the comments, share any items that you might have that you feel help you, make sure you have these power pack lunch or breakfast, or just some things that you can throw in your food you don't even know it's in there, that could boost the nutrient density and improve your health. Share that in the comments with those of us, so maybe we can learn from each other on this. And also be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more lessons like this. And make sure you click on that button, and I'll see you on the next video.